What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over from Gala, seeing quite a big pullback. Let me just refresh this quickly. 0.031, we're down 12% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 1.15 billion, 24 volume, 208 million. So if you're a smart investor, you know what to do on these kind of pullbacks. The market is on sale. Beautiful time to DCA in my opinion. So we broke that local low, which means the wave C is not finished. And you're coming down in the wave 5, you need to break that wave 3 low to complete it. But the 78.6% target is all the way down to 0.025. We can bounce before then, but that's your next fib target. And it also lines up with this level of support here at about 0.02522. All right, gang, the weekly chart, we are breaking the weekly EMAs, not something I really wanted to see. So you want to see us only stay a week or two underneath these weekly underneath these weekly EMAs before seeing the bounce. Otherwise, it can increase the likelihood of coming all the way down and creating a new bear market low. I don't think that's the more probable scenario looking at BTC, but we'll have to see how everything plays out. But in the meantime, a couple targets to look for is below the wave 3 low at about 0.028 and then 0.025, the 78.6, complete the wave 5 of the C before continuation back to the upside. But the fact that Gala is potentially going to re-enter the 2-cent range is unbelievable buying opportunity in my opinion, but you do you. It's not financial advice. We're in multiple trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds and sign up to BITUNIX. Right now, if you deposit $1,000 into your futures trading account, you get a $200 trading bonus when you sign up through my link. You don't have to do that to gain access to my private group. You just have to take the 30 seconds to sign up. Once you've done that, send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis for many coins, my exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals. We just hit both our TPs on our last 2 trades, as well as one of our members is posting crypto trade signals all day long. You really can't beat it. You can also see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, and all you have to do is take that 30 seconds, sign up to BITUNIX, send me the email. Incredible deal, in my opinion. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.